How to fix Cash App payment decline for your protection. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Cash App payment decline for your protection. Now if you're an active Cash App user, you might have experienced a failed payment. While Cash App is generally a reliable and convenient way to transfer money, sometimes things don't go as planned. Now if you receive an error message that says Cash App payment failed, for my protection, it means that Cash App has detected a potential risk associated with the transaction. This could be due to several reasons, including suspicious activity or an unverified account. Cash App automatically cancels the transaction in such cases to protect both parties involved. Now, how to resolve this issue? Now, to resolve this issue, verify your account and contact Cash App support for further assistance as well. This payment was cancelled for your protection or Cash App. This usually occurs when you try to send some money to someone flagged for suspicious activity. So you might want to ask them to look into their account. You might want to try to verify your account if you haven't, and you might want to ask them to verify it as well. So this way you can easily fix Cash App verified for your protection. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.